guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. Here I have present simple and present continuous. Let's start with the general definition of these two. Present simple use base verb, subject plus base verb. Go, run, sleep. In present continuous, we use subject plus be plus verb ing. Going, running, sleeping. Next, we move to the negative and interrogative forms of present simple and present continuous. I'll explain it with some examples that use be and verb, so you can understand it easily. In a be form, subject plus be plus not. We can see here some examples in a be form. If you want to change it into a negative form, this is so simple. You just add not after be. I am not a teacher. Yerin is not my best friend. Next, let's look at some example in the verb form. If we want to make it into a negative form, beside not, we also need do or does. Do or does plus not plus verb. Joshua doesn't talk too much. I don't have 2 cars. For interrogative form, in the sentence that use be, the form is be plus subject. Are you a teacher? Is Yerin your best friend? In the sentence with verb, the form is do or does plus subject plus base verb. Does Joshua talk too much? Do you have 2 cars? Present continuous. Forming the negative in the present continuous is quite simple. You just need to put not after be. They are not shopping for Lily's birthday. I'm not traveling to Jeju Island. For interrogative form, we use be plus subject plus verb ing. Are they shopping for Lily's birthday? Are you traveling to Jeju Island? There is something to note that not all present simple sentences can be changed into the present continuous and vice versa. Faye does her bachelor's degree. Faye is doing her bachelor's degree because bachelor's degree is something that you do temporarily. You are liking Korean movies? I am agreeing with you. These are some examples that cannot be changed in present continuous. Why? Because these examples talk about certain things or facts. I like Korean movies. I agree with you. These are included in stative verbs which are related with our minds and our emotions. Love, hate, be, know, believe, agree, remember, belong, understand, and etc. In English, we don't use stative verbs for continuous tense. We can use present continuous to complain about, first, something that happens frequently. She is always winning that her brothers get the attention in the family. In complaints like this, you need to add the word always to make our meaning clear. If you don't use always or some adverb of frequency, people will not understand that you are complaining about something that she does too frequently. She is winning that her brothers get all the attention in the family. This doesn't sound like a complaint about something that she frequently does. Instead, it sounds like a statement about something that she is doing now. What is she doing right now? Oh, she's winning. Second, for something that is happening now. They are having noisy parties. Their babies are crying. This example shows that we can complain about something without an adverb of frequency because it is happening at the moment of speaking. It is also normal to use a simple present when you are complaining about something, but you must add never. He never lies. He never gets to work on time. I'll explain to you in 3 parts: present, future, and past. Let's keep going. We use the present simple tense when we want to talk about things that don't change, like a fact. Sugar is sweet. Cactus grows on desert. Fish lives in water. We also use the simple present tense when we want to talk about fixed habits or routines. She never leaves her wallet. I always put chili in my food. I drink Americano every morning. But we cannot use present continuous in these situations like this. So, when we can use the present continuous? The present continuous tense is used to talk about things that are happening at the moment of speaking. I'm talking to you. You are listening to me. Or the present continuous tense can be used to describe something that is currently happening in a period of time. I'm looking for a job. It means in a period of time, like this week or this month. Past. Sometimes we use the present simple and present continuous when we are telling a story and want to make our audiences get into the moment, like when you tell a fairy tale to your children or tell your whole paranormal experience. Why Sophia is crying? I'll tell you what happened. So it is around 10 a.m. I'm walking to the canteen. I see Sarah, Maya, and Sophia near the parking area. I peek at them and hope not to get caught. Suddenly, Sarah and Maya are bullying Sophia. That's what happened. Future. Present simple expresses fixed time or schedule. The concert starts at 7 p.m. The flight takes off at 9 a.m. The ballet lesson starts at 6 p.m. Present continuous reveals a future arrangement like a detail of the plan. Time, date, place. He is going to party this weekend. Here, he already has an arrangement, like what time he goes to the party, how he gets there, what kind of outfit that he chooses, something like that. Let's compare these 2 sentences. I start school in July. I am starting school in July. Number 1 is present simple because the school has set the schedule when school starts. Number 2 is present continuous because it is about the future arrangement. Everything has been organized. Okay, after we learn about simple present and present continuous, let's do a mini review. Simple present is used to talk about things that don't change, fixed habits or routines. Present continuous tense is used to talk about things that are happening at the moment of speaking or describe something that is currently happening in the period of time. You know what? That's it for our lesson today. You've done such a fantastic job. If you want to watch my other English videos, you can click on my playlist in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.